Best gaming settings for iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and tap on the battery option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for low power mode, as this will reduce background load. Next, swipe up on your screen and then go ahead and close all the apps running in the background. Make sure all the social media apps running in the background are closed too. Now in settings again, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for airplane mode, and then go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi and then toggle on Wi-Fi manually. This will reduce signal switching and improve ping stability. Next, go ahead and in settings again tap on focus and then on do not disturb mode. Here, go ahead and set the notifications to no notifications, as this will prevent lag spikes. Next, in settings again, tap on accessibility and then on motion. Here, go ahead and make sure the toggle button for reduced motion is enabled, as this will respond in faster user interface. Next, in settings accessibility again, tap on display and text size and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for reduced transparency. Next, go ahead and make sure that your iPhone is not too hot, and if it is too hot, then don't charge while gaming and remove phone case while gaming and play in a cool room. Also make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection for games to not lag. So these were the few best settings for iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.